Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to connect Bluetooth device in OPPO K10 5G smartphone. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, we need to open the settings of the phone. Then choose Bluetooth and click turn on. Now you need to turn on the Bluetooth device also. So I turn on by using open the earbuds. Then you need to enter into the pairing mode. Now the device enter into the pairing mode. Now the pop-up window is opened because the same brand device connecting. So this one is a OPPO M32, so it will show the pop-up. Otherwise, it does not show the pop-up. You can see the OPPO M32 is available here. You can directly click on that. Then click pair. Now it's paired successfully. So you can use the Bluetooth device to listen media, or you can do calls also. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.